Normal ken yam biya kamal kan online take gwaza men bana writing kajan topic me bana write ko do badan in daily category do daily je ger ka je ka YouTube ala category very important me jira me lab YouTube ka gorjen will be benefit ka YouTube gorjen wo der na me der go so where kajan browser na me chale browser okay use a Chrome gwaza men so gorjen will be login kenyam which ben ku je me der twanya na me der YouTube der ne okay be login so me can login simple login key art can gwas me dong me jira me mon dong can login one so me chi login chi ngaji no chi email chi je gorje gwas me no deri YouTube studio deri je ko okay, YouTube studio deri twire then YouTube studio me je ben gwas me then we cho twanya YouTube studio me nyama me kon gor kon bane category bane je go category ke YouTube channel me ken e kon ge la jamo je ka time ala ti ga tungwa long to chodian la ti la rian let so ka gor je no dong mi shi nga chen dob dan deri category do deri je ger ke je no deri je lok ko gwatan tin yam ko di gwazame ti ga tungwa long to gor kono be kon ka ngai no man gor kon gwazame ken yam ko bana ger ka category gor je no beje lat benefit de den bana kulo wa kama na dong de kon lat ko be benefit de kimen je ka tena wo ngu gor je no deri nga den bukulo ka setting dob down they just set up kaje so you have to listen carefully okay many am gwasame alajin mi jira mi mo goro bi YouTube bi jacha chikamen chikon ngaji already goro jeno bi category du bijanga benefit of changing or choosing the right category number 1 better search and discovery mishi category du chijeger be mi ba jimal jek YouTube use categories to understand your content. Picking the right one help your videos appear in the right search result and recommendation. Mishi category shijel gere la category do mi banyo den tamaka your YouTube channel then baji maljek gwada dan and she niche dan and ledikene niche nen kokian chigajek and then when more by YouTube do ba jawjek ten ba video no ko ba konen. Another thing the benefit is a more relevant audience. If you choose the correct category, YouTube suggests your video to people who are interested in that topic. This increases watch time and subscriber growth. Jin mishi category shijeger ngwatamo YouTube point be video be jaw kamne to kokien to bija gwich. So no more be channel be jako be grow ke ba jangat. Number 3, high chance of getting recommended. YouTube compare your videos with other videos in the same category. If you are in the right category, your content may appear in suggested video next to popular channel. YouTube be video nuku beka recommend ki beka nyone ko kien misha ngaje no jin video nuku go ko la ga ya pere kan ne ko kien ko ni chila already. Another thing, number 4, you can compare your performance with other channel in the same category. This helps you know if you grow faster or slower than similar creators. Bejin yodo na michi category do michi ger boka video nen ko kenen content chat kenyu ku ko gwich mi wi ka wonyam kiye che do jok and then be jako bilad long michi category to chideger. Number 5, professional look. A correct category make your channel look organized and serious. New viewer will immediately know what type of content to expect. Gwadame michi category do chideger, okay? Wa en channel be la organize it ala ba ngaje no chari aleka cha structure gwa alo managing ba banyi go ba recommend YouTube ba ka community ko kien so titin to pay kon kalade ka duptin content dere channel dere grow ko je mishi YouTube category ci jeger so channel do dan de kon gerge je gwas me channel je kuch mishi ku login ci ka your YouTube channel then ci wo ci wore ka ci channel ci je ger gwada mene many switch akan many lel cause don't make any login be kon ngaje no jin tika right YouTube mi jin YouTube dina mo then chagwa be shopal so mi ci login ci ko YouTube studio ci menen kon me be ben ping gwaza mene tem ci lel setting na men setting me be twan setting gwaza mi ci twan te ga ton want brialika okay kare re setting kana mene ko gorjeno bi titi bi kan ach dem putir then gwaza men bilel gorjeno bi ben ka gwaza dan enderi category do deje gerten no bo ka upload setting gwaza upload default under upload gwaza me to kon kate bi kon ka gar under upload mishiben boko michele advanced setting na me very important ke kwidu then gwada me chuech be education bijene michele category me and then bi kanen kan category ni ten kon yoz ka YouTube broad show moy kamanda ana ledi michi pele je bango nono ala video nu ko shaka bijene ti koken kasha video nu ko shaka bu comment and then be your niche ke project dan ledi ka kwide bi ngaje no take under which category Nuer online tech gen chede ke education channel alo new the net koken or they can YouTube they can use it they can Facebook can social media do bagwa ada na benefit ke je no there are lara over dongjen amishal ke how to so mishi ngaje mishi kana me do bdan de nyu de ka ger ke je and then you need to come here manyam bi ngaje mi jin comedian be comedy bilat me do education be education lat do me do torbiyel bilal autos and vehicles do me do entertainment ka be entertainment bilat filming and animation gaming auto and style music mijin musician news and politics non-profit and activism people and blog pet and animal science and technology sport and then travel and event wadu me michinoko bi category do bijalelde bijalari so me glade do no gwaz me dongde chulado belat kungu belat ka science and technology ba gorgwa science and technology no Michela the Guadamo, a channel on a many, and then let me get this out of the way. Then Micha talk, Mambel Janan, bet you serve Niger, by serving bad one. Right now, she con category dan Chanajager, Mulu con joke setting, dairy and guasamene. Michi Waka Jan upload give for them, dairy ben kajan advance, dairy no category dan a science and technology. Some we con Mogwasame, she con take and come down and they con a lot. Ko de kon category de konige bi ngaje no category a very important gwada dan and YouTube channel she lepten so che good no bi pal so na meni agenda and gor no dong de nywa yekel manyam ndong de lat me le YouTube channel ko jira mi mo no go bi channel ba grow ba wonyam no mi shi ngaje no shi category du chi je ku gere shi ngaje no che ku to you are done then take some setting but de nyodi ala tips man gore long gwad me be ngach meni jenbe werka mishalele channel gwad meni country of resident gore jen will be larit country ndana titin chedmi dong ti widodien right now ti under Egypt de lat ka widodien cheka America de lat ko widodien chetke United Arab Emirates no de lat ko widodien cheke Uganda de lat ko witen kontin cha tila legible kitten no ko take a town in the channel bi de ngaji no wujile de tin won mo no otherwise charge bi no ko YouTube ko jin gwasme you are here to make money you are here to make income so on the process ko jiram mo goro bi yobi ke je goro jen wo bi channel bi jo organize ni gwa bi way de bi gere wuje dan goro en wo beteten so ne me be channel be jago betir be grow so changing your category gwadme can wo be country of resident will be jalari very important gorjan or dedna madet jamal right now we have done the tutorial. If you are new to my channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Also, if you have any recommendation, please drop it on the comment section below. Gorno jin be subscribe to channel la be support you gidi man wo dong de nyodo gwas men ka jen YouTube me chudwal no dong de re gwadwor ba video gor modelat na bajalat gwada me tin la do gwas me ka nuer online tech ka tungwan video editing photo editing you know when I cover page tin do ba de computer de use ke je technology but most importantly yours a channel make a YouTube can a Facebook or YouTube but projecting and a question about YouTube you can drop it ka but in your door down and there unyam ko je mutika problem ka do down there YouTube there monetize ke je I'm here for you anytime but in your tin corner there lat ka YouTube do mishi monetization chocho gore no bi ngaje no YouTube gore je no beteke 1000 subscribers 1000 subscribers beteke 4000 watch hour la tandi kindang wante ba video ko ba ka bikje which is equivalent to 200,000 viewers, but not short included. Short gorka 10 million. So na me amugo ako deri lalet ko bejileli bejilwak ka do bentin yam ani go no bi channel bi subscribe tin ga bi nyane ko ken ban je mu de biatemal